When preparing for a medical exam or viva, one subject that often feels vast but is extremely important is research methodology. In this video, let's quickly revise the subject in a simple and flowing way. The first question we'll see. What is the research methodology? It is a systematic way of designing, conducting and analyzing research to answer a specific question. The second one we'll see. What is a research problem? It is a clearly defined issue or question that the researcher wants to investigate. The next one is what is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a testable statement or prediction about the relationship between variables. The next one is what are the types of study designs? They include observational studies like cross-sectional and cohort, and experimental studies like randomized control trials. The next one is what is sampling? Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of the population to represent the whole. Next question is what is sample size? It refers to the number of participants including in the study, which should be adequate to give a reliable results. The next one is what are the variables? Variables are characteristics that can change, such as age, gender or blood pressure. The next one is what is bias? Bias is any systematic error that affects the validity of the study results. Next one is what is the statistical significance? It indicates whether the results obtained are likely due to chance or represents a true effect. Finally, what is data analysis? It is the process of organizing and interpreting data to draw meaningful conclusions. Now we will see the last part, concluding part. So these are the top research methodology questions which you must revise for your exam or viva purpose. Understanding these basics will not only help you to clear your exams but also make you a better researcher. Thank you.